All right, these are the elevators here at the Springhill Suites Marriott Village, Orlando, Florida. They're Dover. They're a little different. Looks like the COP has been modded, so let's ride this one. All right, here you're at 5. Yeah, definitely still Dover. Let's go number 1. Here at 1. We're gonna watch the doors open. I think the door close button worked. Oh well. Back up to 5. Alright, you're at 5. And just to show you, there it goes. Take a look at this weird setup. They're all the same, I believe. And if not, I'll send one down right now. Yeah. So there goes that one. We are going to write others. Here is a map of the hotel, and it looks like there is 3 more banks of elevators I need to find. Huh. Oh, here's a view of the shaft. Yeah, it's all the same. Right, there it goes. Let's find the other banks of elevators, that's it.